This video will cover biometric testing and accreditation. We'll discuss some of the main testing bodies, certifications, and standards organizations consider when procuring a biometric solution. We also explored the certifications iProov has achieved. As the threat of deepfakes and AI-generated attacks becomes clear, many biometric vendors claim deepfake detection, often without evidence. This makes evaluating solutions for attack detection challenging. Organizations need biometric solutions that defend against the full spectrum of attacks against remote systems. This includes presentation attacks. The bad actor presents an object, such as a 2D printout, mask, or media, played on a screen to the camera. Though still rife, presentation attacks are limited in scale as the process is manual. And injection attacks, the bad actor injects media such as a deepfake directly into the video stream, often using a virtual camera to bypass the real camera. Injection attacks are more complex to detect than presentation attacks, are scalable through automation, and are rapidly advancing. Gartner states injection attacks increased by 200% in 2023 alone. Organizations can evaluate a biometric vendor's attack detection capabilities against the testing it has completed. Many technologies have achieved iBeta Level 1 and 2 certification for presentation attack detection. iBeta Level 1 involves basic attacks like printed photos and mobile displays of faces or videos. Level 2 involves more advanced presentation attacks using high-quality equipment like paper masks or video displays with movement. iBeta carries out the testing over 45 days and conducts 100 to 200 tests, including 8 to 10 presentation attack types. iProov achieved 0% imposter attack presentation match rate and 0% false non-match rate in iBeta Level 1 and 2 testing. Put simply, this means we didn't allow any presentation attacks through and didn't reject any genuine claims. iBeta does not test for deepfake presentation attacks or digital injections. While iBeta certifications are critical when evaluating vendors, Gartner states that organizations should consider these baseline qualifications only. Currently, there is no certification or standard for injection attack detection, making it difficult for organizations to evaluate solutions on this capability. However, there are other certifications biometric vendors can achieve to demonstrate the strength of their technologies. The FIDO Alliance Face Verification certification, for example, is the first certification to test biometrics within a face verification use case, including face matching, liveness detection, and bias mitigation. The liveness testing element is far more extensive than iBeta Level 1 and 2. FIDO tests for a wider range of presentation attacks, including presented deepfakes. Over 100 days, FIDO conducts 10,000 tests, using 15 presentation attack types. iProov is the first biometric vendor to achieve FIDO Alliance Face Verification certification. Results showed the iProov system had a 0% imposter attack presentation acceptance rate and a 0.14% false reject rate. This means that of 10,000 tests, iProov allowed 0 attacks through and only falsely rejected 14 claims. While more robust testing shows the identity industry moving in the right direction, iProov goes beyond existing certifications to further demonstrate the strength of our technologies. For example, we employ the services of independent penetration testers, such as Outflank, AIS, and Planet 9. These third parties test our systems using the most advanced attacks, including injection attacks, face swaps, and other AI-generated media. We also operate an internal red team. The red team proactively simulates attacks and exploits to identify and close security gaps. By continuously testing our systems against the latest threats, we ensure that iProov remains one of the most secure biometric technologies on the market. Finally, our government and enterprise customers subject our systems to rigorous testing to national security grade standards as part of their procurement process. We have completed testing by the U.S. Department of Homeland Security, the Singaporean government, and UBS. As the first biometric vendor to achieve FIDO Alliance Face Verification accreditation and the only vendor to operate ongoing red team testing, organizations can trust that iProov defends against the full range of biometric attacks. Key takeaways. 1. iBeta Level 1 and 2 testing is critical in presentation attack detection. However, Gartner states these certifications should be considered baseline qualifications only. 2. The FIDO Alliance Face Verification certification is more extensive than iBeta and is the first to test solutions within a face verification use case. iProov is the first vendor to achieve this certification. 3. We further demonstrate the strength of our solutions through independent pen testing, operating an internal red team, and the testing we've completed with our government and enterprise customers.